Okay, hello again in my YouTube channel. Task 18D. You work for Tawara High School. You will edit some data about mathematics faculty using a suitable database package, which is Access. Import the teachers.csv. Use these field names and data types. So after we import the teacher.csv, so I have to go through this table and then check the field names if I need to change it to appropriate name. And data type, you have to check the data type. If you need to change it to the data type that he displayed in this table, you have to do it. So I will go to my Access. I will go to my Access, then from external data, I will go to new data source and select text file from file, browse, and this is teachers.csv file. Important to keep it as selected. Import the source data into a new table. Yes, I need a new table. So next, and tick to split that field names, and then next, and then choose the data types from here. Short text, long integer. We have to go to the question, bold text and long integer. Yes, the last one, and then okay, then next. Then choose my own primary key. Why? Because he needs, I have how many fields? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He needs the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will choose my first one, teacher ID. You will say his name is SCode. Yes, everything we have to change it because he set that SCode field as a primary key or as a key field. And this, he needs what? He needs to change the name because we have here 4 names, sure name, okay? And subject and row. He needs to change 4 name to F name, and the other name is name, and then I keep subject, so he needs to change the teacher ID to SCode. The same 5 fields, okay? So I choose it, next, finish, close. And I need to rename this one with task 18D underscore teachers. And then I will open it to go to my design view from here, from home tab, from the view section, or from right click, design view. I'm trying to tell you more than one method, and you select whatever you like. Then he needs to change the, of course, the teacher ID to SCode. And then F name. And then name, subject, and this is the number, long integer. All of the previous field data type is short text. Okay. And then he asked us to import the file student.csv. So I have to import the file student.csv. After I save it, then go to external data, and from new source files, from file, text file, don't forget text file, not other file, students, and then okay, and then delimited with, instead of comma, we have to separate it with columns, and tick to the first row contains field names, and then next. Here we can change the data type that we ask that we need, but we have to check here. I didn't mention anything of our data type here in field student ID, and we will go to check student ID, student first name, student surname, English, math, and he said what? Field as a key field, student ID, create one-to-many relationship, go one step by step. So I can go to check in my table fields. Yes, this is text, this is text, this is text, this is text, this is text. So I will not change anything from their data types. So I can choose my own primary key, as he mentioned, student ID. So next, and finish and close. I can rename this one. I click rename. With active, task 18 D student. Okay. Okay. Then create one-to-many relationship, as we did what? We changed the names in the teacher's ID to meaningful names, and then students, we imported students.csv, and we have to select the primary key or the key field as a student ID field, and then we can create a relationship. How to create a relationship from database tool. From database tools, you can find the sections or group relationships. You select relationships, and then you can find all the tables that you can select from it, which table that you want to relate with another. Okay, so I will select with control key these both tables. Select one. You can add one by one, or you can select both using the control key to hold it together to select whatever the table that you need. Then add to selected tables. Then I will resize this to check there is no fields are hidden. So he asked me to click to make a relationship. So I have both key fields. He asked me to do what? Create one-to-many relationship as a link between SCode field in the teacher's table and the math field in the student's table. Okay, so I click and drag from the primary key or the key fields to the math. He will open this edit relationship window, and this, it will display the task 18D teachers. This is the name of the table with SCode, and the students, task 18D students table with math. This relation, this type of relation one-to-many, which means that the teacher's code only unique, primary key, okay, only unique and not duplicated. And then create relationship between them and carry. Okay, this primary key linked with another field. Okay, so how we can improve our answers? By clicking here, double click. You can take a screenshot for all of these and put it in your evidence document. You open the Word and you write in the heading, in the header or the footer, you will write your name and your class and your school and any details, and then you will take a screenshot like this. To paste it in the Word document. For example, this is our Word. How to make evidence. This is an evidence that you make relationship because you will close it, but we have to know that you create one-to-many or what is the relationship that you did. I will go to double click here in the top side, or you can go through insert header, and you will choose, for example, the 3 columns, and you select each one, highlight on it, and you write your name, the full name, your name, okay, the first name and your name, and then, for example, class 8, 8E, 8B, whatever, okay, 8A or 8B, whatever, and your school, BIS, okay, and then go by press escape key from the left top corner in the keyboard, or close the header and footer icon, or double click in the free space in the work area. And then, for example, evidence 1, write evidence 1 here, and you will paste your relationship that you created. Okay, this is a screenshot. It allowed you to take your full mark. We say okay, and then close the relationship. Yes. You want to save it? Yes. Thank you. See you.